everybody, welcome back to the Hardest Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to run your start screen with the multi-view mirroring in your Samsung Smart Monitor. So at first you have to scroll to the left to the control panel, and here scroll to the settings. Now open all settings, and here scroll to the advanced features. Here go to start screen options, and here the third option is auto run multi-view mirroring. You can disable it or enable it back again within the agree that this feature may increase the power consumption. And that's how it works. If I helped you, leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye!